St. Elizabeth, Texan Jago, Excelsior, Kingston College, Jamaica College, Calabar, Edwin Allen, and Wolmer's boys rounding out the lineup for the Class 2 4x100 meters. The record, as we told you before, 40.65 seconds. Two teams have gone 40.97, as Ricardo told you, this season. Kingston College and JC so far. In the set position. Sent on the way now, the first time of asking. Calabar got away well. So too, Wolmer's Jamaica College is very much in the mix on the first handover now. Wolmer's Calabar moving well based on the stagger. Jamaica College having a bit of a fumble, but they remain in contention. It's Calabar, JC, Edwin Allen down the backstretch as well. Kingston College has a bit of room to make up. Penultimate handover now. Calabar has the bit between their teeth. Jamaica College looks ominous as well. Kingston College, St. Jago trying to reel them in. Final handover now. They've got to get back to the boys from Red Hills Road. Calabar on top. Here comes Kingston College. Here comes Jamaica College. Calabar, JC, Kingston College. What a heck of a finish. Oh, it's desperately close. It could be Calabar. 40.98 seconds. The flash time. I think Calabar got it by the flare of a nostril.
Calabar certainly did get it. I told you they had the quality to be right there with Kingston College and Jamaica College. They haven't been able to put together their very best four this season, Calabar, but they've done it today, and it has paid dividends in a significant way. Devondre Matthews, he's been in super sprint hurdles form this season. Javane Clayton, he false started at the Corporate Area Championships at 100. Chet Brown coming off injury, the second-year Class 2 man on the third leg, and Joshua Ricketts on the anchor leg. Calabar finally put it together, and they show now that they are just as good as Kingston College and Jamaica College at Class 2 4x1. But what a race that was.
Calabar leading from start to finish. Matthews, the hurdler, giving them that lead, and right throughout this race we see a challenge from Jamaica College on this third leg, but Calabar still maintains that lead going into the final exchange. Ched Brown to Joshua Ricketts running that anchor leg and holding off. It's the big three: Jamaica College, Kingston College, Calabar out in front, and it's always exciting when you see these three going at it to the line, but Calabar gets the victory this time.
Yeah, and on that anchor leg, three really big guns. Emil Higgins for Kingston College, Kyle Kelly, last year's Class 3 100 champion for Jamaica College, and Joshua Ricketts of Calabar, all first-year Class 2 athletes, but they have so much quality. Higgins of Kingston College has run fabulous anchor legs all season. He's a 21-1 200 man, the Bahamian, as a first-year too, and you can see the height, the speed, the quality, chasing Kelly, chasing Ricketts, but today he couldn't get by any of them.
They came out to win. We see on the Class 1 boys, they had Jamal Stevens on first leg to get that lead. They want to do the work up front, get the lead, and again with Matthews, the hurdler, you know the hurdlers start well, explosive out the blocks. So Calabar really stacking, front-loading their sprint relay team.